नमस्काराः। केन्द्रीयविद्यालयः वायुसेनास्थलम् आवडी चेन्नैसम्भागः कक्षा 10 विषयः संस्कृतम्। मित्राणि छात्राः, इदानीं किञ्चित् व्याकरणं पठामः। लेट अस रीड सम ग्रामर। संधिः। संधिः नाम किं? संधि मीन्स व्हाट? पदद्वयोः मेलनाय अक्षरद्वयोः मेलने यावत् परिवर्तनं जायते तत् संधिः भवति। पूर्वपदम् उत्तरपदम्। पदद्वयस्य मेलनाय पूर्वपदस्य अन्तिमः वर्णः, उत्तरपदस्य प्रथमः वर्णः, अक्षरद्वयं वर्णद्वयं, तत्र मेलने किञ्चित् परिवर्तनं जायते। तत् परिवर्तनम् अर्थात् विकारः, तत् संधिः भवति। In order to join two words where combination of two letters gets a change, that is called sandhi. To join two words we have to join two letters, that is the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the immediately following word. When those two letters are joined together, they together get a change. That change is called sandhi. अद्य संधि विषये पठामः विसर्ग संधिः। टुडे we are going to study about visarga sandhi. The visarga is getting changes. That change is called visarga sandhi. इदानीं विसर्ग संधेः विविध प्रकार विकारान् पश्यामः. Now we will see the different kind of changes in visarga sandhi. At first, vikaraha vutvam, that means change as vu. Finally it will be vu. Vikarasya vutvam, vikara visarga becomes vu and finally it changes into wo. Vikaraha r, that means the visarga change as r. Third, vikaraha s, visarga change as s. Vikaraha sh, change as sh. Vikaraha sh, change as sh. Vikaraha lopaha, lopaha matlab visarga disappears. You cannot write the visarga in some condition, the visarga should disappear. These are all the vikara, the changes happen to visarga in visarga sandhi. अत्र विसर्ग संधौ विसर्गस्य उत्वम् अर्थात विकारः वो इति भवति. Today we are going to learn about how visarga becomes vu अर्थात it becomes wo. इदानीं विसर्गस्य उत्वम् अर्थात विसर्गः कथं ओ भवति इति पठामः. Now we will see visargas change as u which finally becomes o. संधि विषये पदद्वयं पूर्वपदम् उत्तरपदम्. पूर्वपदस्य अंतिमः वर्णः, that is the first word का last letter, is considered as Purva Varnaha in the Sandhi, that is preceding letter. Uttarapadam, that means the next following word, the first letter of the next following word in Sandhi is called Uttara Varnaha. That means the first word ending is preceding letter, the immediately following word beginning is following letter. So Sandhi happens between preceding letter and following letter. Here in Visarga Sandhi, there is a condition. This Visarga gets changes along with the preceding letter. The Visarga gets changes along with the preceding letter. Following letter is the condition. Here Visarga becomes Vu. The first step of Visarga becomes Vu. The condition should be the preceding letter should be short Hrasva Akara. The following should also be short Hrasva Akara. Dirgha Akaraha Mastu. Here the long letter should not come, only the short letter so both the letters are short in between them Visarga is there. Then what will happen? That is what here the Visarga becomes Utva. We'll see now. The first letter that is ending of the first word, it is followed by a Visarga. The next letter is also that means the following word first letter is so now the Visarga is between the two short now what will happen? The Visarga becomes U. Visarga changes into U. Now the Sandhi is with the preceding letter only. A Tatha U, that means A plus U will become O. So that is what Visargasya Uttam. Visarga becomes Vu and finally it becomes Vo. When the preceding letter becomes Vo, the following letter short becomes like this. That means yes in English. So in Sanskrit this symbol is called Avagragaha, that is Akara Praslesha. This S like symbol in Sanskrit should not be spelt as yes, and you have to tell as Akara Prasleshaha, otherwise Avagragaha. Now we see that in an example. There is a word Balak plus a Balaka and Visarga Balakaha. It's a familiar word for everybody. So the Balaka first word ends with a and Visarga. So the a is the preceding letter for this Visarga Sandhi and Visarga is following, and the following word for the Balakaha is Atra. Atra, Atra. So Balakaha Atra is the word. Now Balaka is ending with a and Atra is starting with a. So the Visarga is between the two short Akaraha, two Hrasva Akaraha. Now the Visarga and Akara, the first A and Visarga will together become O. That means Visarga becomes O. After that A plus O will become O. So together they become O. When it becomes O, the following A should become Akara Prasleshaha. So the A becomes Akara Prasleshaha. Now Balaka plus O, Balako, and Tra, Palakotra. This Akara Praslesha, when you write like this symbol, it has no separate pronunciation. You have joined the word, you have to read together only. So we have to read it as Balakotra. Balakotra. Here Akara Praslesha does not have a separate sound, but it denotes there is short a. The final is the Visarga between the two short Akara. Visarga and first Akara become O, and the following Akara will be indicated by this symbol, that is Akara Praslesha. Idanim कानिचित् उदाहरणानि पश्यामः. लक्ष्मणः, Lakshmanaha ends with a and visarga. Api, following api word starts with short. So visarga between two short. The first Lakshmana, na, a and visarga together become u, Lakshmanu. The following I is indicated by akara praslesha. Then remaining part of the following word, that is P. So Lakshmanopi. Balah atra balotra. Tatah asau tatosau. Chaurah ayam chauroyam. So like that you have to read, and when akara praslesha is there, it has no separate sound. Visargasya utvam, the second type. First we have seen the first type, visarga between the two short, first and visarga together become u. The second is indicated by the akara praslesha. This is second type. The same manner purva padam, purva varnaha. Here the first letter is short only, there is no change, and the short is followed by visarga, and the following letter only changes here. Following letter should be mridu vyanjanani. Mridu vyanjanani means soft consonants. What are all the soft consonants? We will see now. The first word should end with short like the previous one, and short should be followed by visarga like previous one. Now the following should be mridu vyanjanam. What is the mridu vyanjanam? These letters are called mridu vyanjanam. That is third, fourth, fifth letter of all the five groups. G, G, Ng. That is kavarga, J, J, Nya. Chavarga, Dha, Dha, Na. Tavarga, Dha, Dha, Na. Tavarga, Bha, Bha, Ma. Pavarga. So all the five vargas, third, fourth, fifth letters, Ya, Va, Ra, La, Ha. These five letters, all these 20 letters are called mridu vyanjanani. So any one of this letter follows, that is mridu vyanjanam follows, the preceding letter should be short, and after that visarga, and the visarga should be followed by any of the mridu vyanjanam. That means visarga should be preceded by short only, visarga should be followed by any one of these mridu vyanjanam only. Then what will happen? The first step, visarga will become u, and a plus u, a tata u together will become wo, and the following mridu vyanjan does not have any change, and it will be as it is. So here what will happen? Visarga becomes u, then a plus u become wo, so the utvam becomes wo, and the following mridu vyanjan stands as it is. Now we will see one example. Samavaya, a, samavaya, visargaha, samavaya. This word is very familiar for us. He, the he word starts with her, that is her plus e. So her is a soft consonant. Yavara, laha group mein her is there. So the visarga is preceded by a, and visarga is followed by a soft consonant. Now what will happen? Visarga becomes vu, and a plus vu will become wo. So the visarga utvam finally becomes wo. So samavai plus wo, samavayo hi, samavayo hi. That is how the second type of utvam, that is preceding a and visarga becomes wo if it is followed by any of the mridu vyanjanam. The final result of this is short a followed by visarga followed by mridu vyanjanam. Then the result will be a plus visarga will become wo, and following mridu vyanjanam will be written as it is without any change. इदानीं कानिचित् उदाहरणानि पश्यामः. व्याघ्रः नष्टः. Vyagrah, Vyagrah, a visarga and followed by soft consonant. It is a fifth letter. Fifth letter is a soft consonant. When it is so, the preceding a and visarga will become o. That means Vyagraha will become Vyagru, and following soft consonant no change. So Nashtaha comes as it is Nashtaha. So Vyagru Nashtaha. Manaha Rataha Manoratha. Panditaha Janaha Pandito Janaha. Nirdhanaha Janaha Nirdhano Janaha. Students, for the homework purpose and practice purpose, some words are given here and you have to work out these, and please record these answers, question and the answers in your homework notebook. Priya Chatraha Mitrani, this Visarga Sandhi Bhag 1 Prathama Bhagaha Visargasya Utvam Katam Visargaha becomes O into different condition is described here. Please watch the video carefully and answer all the Grihakaryam work. And next another part, another Visarga changes we will deal about. And this is your Sanskrit teacher K. Raghunatha, KVAFS Avadi, Chennai. We'll meet with the continuation of this topic in another video. Tab tak Dhanyavadaha.